When it comes to geese, what comes to mind first? Big, aggressive birds, always ready to chase and attack at any moment? Or perhaps, delicious, nutritious goose meat with high economic value? In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of the lion-headed goose, a breed that can generate a significant source of income for farms. Get ready to discover the incredible characteristics and economic value of this remarkable poultry. Introduction: The lion-headed goose, also known as the Chinese goose, holds a special place in the history of domesticated birds. This ancient breed, originating over 4,000 years ago in the Yangtze River Delta of China, is not just known for its unique appearance and vocal nature but also for its economic contributions. Whether it's for meat production, egg production, or even natural landscaping, these geese offer practical benefits for farms, making them highly sought after worldwide. History of the lion-headed goose: The lion-headed goose has a long and rich history, dating back to ancient China. Initially prized for its meat and role as a natural guardian on farms, these geese were valued for their loud honking, which served as an alarm to farmers, alerting them to intruders. Over time, they have evolved into more than just livestock. They've become a beloved companion for many farmers due to their intelligence and affectionate nature. When raised with regular human interaction, Chinese geese can recognize their owners and even develop strong bonds. These qualities made them a staple in Chinese households, where they were treated as both pets and working animals. Physical characteristics: Chinese geese are medium to large in size and known for their graceful yet striking appearance. They have a distinctive knob on their forehead, a long, slender bill, and an elegant, arched neck. Their bodies, though compact, are robust and well-structured, giving them a dignified, almost royal look. The chest is broad, and their smooth, sleek feathers contribute to their overall refined appearance. Despite their elegant look, these geese are heavier than they seem, with ganders averaging about 12 pounds and females weighing around 10 pounds. Economic value: One of the key reasons the lion-headed goose is so highly valued is its ability to generate income for farms. Additionally, they also feed on insects, snails, and small invertebrates, which further enhances their role in maintaining a balanced ecosystem on the farm. Their adaptable foraging habits add significant value to any farm looking for an environmentally friendly way to manage weeds. Guardians of the farm, Chinese geese are also known for their excellent watchdog qualities. These geese are excellent layers, producing between 40 to 100 large, white eggs annually, nearly double the output of many other goose breeds. The eggs are highly sought after for both consumption and hatching purposes. Moreover, the meat of the lion-headed goose is lean, tender, and less greasy than that of other geese. Particularly the brown variety, which is renowned for its low-fat content and delicate flavor, making it a premium product in the market. Raising lion-headed geese requires a good deal of care and attention to detail. The process begins with selecting high-quality eggs and maintaining a steady temperature of around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius to ensure successful hatching. Once the goslings are born, they are typically fed grains like corn, wheat, and various green vegetables to promote strong and healthy growth. As they mature, their feathers grow rapidly, reaching about 10 to 15 centimeters by the time they're 9 weeks old. This rapid growth is essential for preparing them for farming purposes. The lion-headed goose, king of geese. The lion-headed goose is often regarded as the largest and most impressive goose species in the world. Its name, lion-headed, comes from two main features: its large body and its uniquely prominent head, which resembles the mane of a lion. This head growth, which increases as the bird ages, gives it a majestic, almost regal appearance, further solidifying its title as the king of geese. Natural habitat and behavior. Chinese geese, like most geese, thrive in water. Their natural instincts and biological needs make water vital for their well-being. Not only does it provide them with food such as aquatic plants and small invertebrates, but it also aids in maintaining proper hygiene by allowing them to bathe and keep their feathers clean, waterproof, and buoyant. Water also helps regulate their body temperature, especially in warmer climates. Social by nature, Chinese geese are happiest when they are in groups. They enjoy the company of other geese, ducks, and even chickens. Their friendly yet practical demeanor makes them a popular choice for both small homesteads and large farms. Whether you're raising them for egg production, meat, or natural weed control, these geese provide an excellent balance of beauty, utility, and nutrition. Foraging and weed control. Known as efficient foragers, Chinese geese play a crucial role in natural weed control. They consume grasses, herbaceous plants, and a variety of other vegetation, making them perfect for clearing weeds in gardens, farms, and even lawns. Additionally, they also feed on insects, snails, and small invertebrates, which further enhances their role in maintaining a balanced ecosystem on the farm. Their adaptable foraging habits add significant value to any farm looking for an environmentally friendly way to manage weeds. Guardians of the farm, Chinese geese are also known for their excellent watchdog qualities. With their loud honking and alert nature, they serve as natural protectors for farms and homes. However, this protective instinct can sometimes lead to aggression if they feel threatened or if they haven't been properly socialized. With the right care and environment, though, these geese can become loyal companions and reliable guardians, making them an even more valuable asset to any farm. Meat quality. One of the standout features of the lion-headed goose is its meat. Known for its richer, fattier texture, this meat stands out from regular goose meat due to the bird's unique diet and long breeding process. The meat is naturally sweet, tender, and flavorful, with a thicker layer of fat that keeps it moist and adds to its richness. This makes it a highly prized product in the culinary world, offering a juicier and more satisfying eating experience compared to other goose varieties. Conclusion: the lion-headed goose is much more than just a beautiful bird. With its long history, remarkable characteristics, and economic value, it is a versatile and valuable asset for farms. Whether you're looking to raise them for meat, eggs, or even as natural guardians for your property, the lion-headed goose is an exceptional choice that brings both beauty and utility to any farm. Call to action: have you ever raised or thought about raising lion-headed geese? What do you think about their unique characteristics and economic potential? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.